Assalamu alaikum. Welcome 6th class in the third semester. I am hopeful you are all fine and doing well. I am your English teacher and here is the working of day 4 and 5th. So let's start the working. Here is our today's working unit. The Wolf Children write meanings. Realize एहसास होना, kindness नेकी रहमदिली, disease बीमारी, attack हमला करना, magic जादूगरी, manage इंतज़ाम करना, spread फैलाना, patience सब्र या तहामुल, moment लम्हा, instant के बजाय, motionless बेहरकत या साकिन, attempt कोशिश करना, miracle मोजज़ा. Here is the first question. Was Mrs. Singh surprised by the children? How do we know? Yes, she was surprised by them. She could hardly believe her eyes. How did the two children move about? The two children moved about on all fours. Sometimes they moved on their knees and elbows, but if they want to run, they used their feet and hands. Why did the children drink milk by lapping it up with their tongues? Wolves drink by lapping with the tongues, and this was what the children had learned, so they also lapped milk with their tongues. Here is the next question. In what ways did the children behave like animals? They used their knees and elbows to move short distance. They used their hands and feet when running. They lapped milk from a dish. They ate like wild animals, taking raw meat, and they treated other children like wolf cubs. What did the Singhs decide to do and why? The Singhs decided to keep the discovery of the wolf girls a secret. They did not want people coming to see them out of curiosity. Why did the girls become active only at night? Wolves are active at night and sleep during the day, and the girls were used to following this pattern of behavior. How do we know that Kamala missed her sister? When Amala died, Kamala missed her greatly. She hauled for many days and refused to eat. All she would do was sniff around her for Amala's scent. How long did it take Kamala to learn about 50 words? It took Kamala almost 9 years to learn about 50 words. Why did Mrs. Singh have to leave the orphanage? Mrs. Singh had to leave the orphanage because her aunt was ill. What was the most important thing that Kamala learned? The important thing that Kamala learned was how to love a human being. Do you think the story is true? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, as years and dates are given which indicates the story is true. His wife agreed that this was best for the girls. What was best for the girls? Why? She agreed that keeping their discovery a secret was best for the girls in order to try and protect them from the townspeople. What was this difficulty? That the girls thought they were wolves. The signs had to somehow get it across to them that they were human.